All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1019, Canada case. Judge, both parties have been sworn.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Miss Canada. All right. You brought this case before.
All right, guys, buckle up. This case is everything. Betrayal, paternity doubts, and a 3-year fight over child support. We got mother demanding back pay, a man denying responsibility, and a judge ready to cut through the noise. By the end of this hearing, lives and reputations are on the line. Let's dive into the drama.
For the court, what's going on?
I'm seeking child support and back pay from this man.
Okay, just straightforward. That's what I like. Just get right into it. How old is the child?
The child is now 3 years old.
3 years old.
And I have not received any child support.
Here's where the tension ignites. The mother reveals she hasn't seen a dime of support in 3 years. That's a lifetime for a toddler. But notice how calm she is? This calmness masks the storm brewing beneath. Because 3 years of unpaid support can crush a parent financially and emotionally. Would you have had that patience?
Is there a reason you haven't given her any child support in the past 3 years?
Yes, ma'am, there is.
What is that?
We've been discussing the paternity obligations.
Okay.
Under the circumstances, I don't think I was the only person having a fling with Rocky at the time that she and I had.
Now the father flips the script, claiming she might have been with other men and demanding a DNA test. Classic defense tactic. Shift out onto paternity. Legally, it makes sense. No man should pay without certainty. But emotionally, this lands like a gut punch. Imagine being told your child's very identity is in question.
Well, maybe you should have been obligated to your wife whenever you were having an affair with me.
You're right about that. And honest
So
truth is
you are
that,
admitting that you're married?
yes.
Okay.
And I've told her. I've told her that we had this fling.
You didn't
told
tell
your
me you
wife
were
that?
married until after.
And there it is, the bombshell. He admits he was married during the affair. Suddenly, this isn't just about support. It's about betrayal layered on betrayal. The wife, the mistress, the child. Everybody tangled in this web. Do you think his honesty now redeems him, or is it too little too late?
Certainly understand the situation. I'm not trying to be hard-hearted, so to speak, about this, but I think that there's some other questions that need to be answered before we agree on paying any kind of support, because at this point, we haven't confirmed who's...
Listen closely. He paints himself as cautious, not cold. He claims he just wants the facts before paying a dime. But is this responsibility or delay? Courts often see this. Men stalling behind uncertainty, while a child grows up without resources. Should intent matter more than obligation?
Some questions too, but I don't think they have anything to do with child support. It's more about you guys' backstory, but that has nothing to do with me. However, has this man taken a DNA test at all?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. Did he sign anything at the hospital?
No, he wasn't
acknowledging that he was the father? Okay.
The judge cuts straight to the legal truth. Without a DNA test, her hands are tied. It's a reminder. Courts can't enforce child support without legal paternity. This moment strips away the drama and gives us cold, hard law. No DNA, no obligation. Does that feel fair, given the circumstances?
Denial about his affair and doesn't want his wife to find out.
My wife knows.
Oh,
Yeah,
she
right.
knows now.
He's lying.
You told her?
I would have heard from her by now. I work with him, ma'am.
Oh. At the welding place?
I'm a receptionist there. That's how we met.
You're her.
Tension spikes again. She calls him a liar, insisting his wife doesn't know. Then she reveals a twist. She works with him, right under his management. This isn't just a family mess. It's a workplace scandal. Imagine the fallout if that truth explodes beyond this courtroom.
Wasn't expecting that much tea this morning. So, yeah, he's entitled to a DNA test.
Sure.
Okay? So before we can move forward with anything in terms of child support,
Even the judge admits she wasn't ready for all this drama before noon. But she stays grounded. DNA testing is a legal right. And here's the kicker. The law protects even cheaters. He may be morally compromised, but legally, he still gets fairness. Should morality ever override legal rights?
If he's not the father, you are more than welcome to bring back as many people as necessary. I'm not implying by any means that what he's saying is true.
Right, he's
but if
definitely
he's
the
not
father.
the father, you can bring back as many people as necessary to get DNA testing, and we.
The judge lays it out. If he's not the father, others can be tested. She's careful not to shame the mother, but also won't let allegations slide. This balance, compassion with legal rigor, is what keeps the courtroom from turning into a soap opera. But doesn't it already feel like one?
Your Honor, can we get your assistance in having this thing compelled so that we can get this DNA testing done expeditiously?
Oh yeah, most definitely, and it will be done through the Attorney General's office.
Okay.
Watch closely. The father shifts tone. Suddenly, he's asking for the court's help to compel testing quickly. It's a subtle but huge shift from resistance to cooperation. Is this genuine responsibility or just an act to look good in front of the judge?
To go ahead and use their resource. Okay? If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
Rocky?
You're welcome.
And here's the unexpected twist. The state's own Attorney General's office will handle the DNA test free of charge. This isn't just convenient, it's powerful. The system ensures truth without financial burden. For once, both sides get an equal shot at clarity.
I appreciate that.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So here we are. A case filled with lies, affairs, and questions ends not with verdict, but with a test. The truth now lies in science, not testimony. One swab will decide years of obligation or freedom. If this case stunned you too, drop your take in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more courtroom drama like this.